Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safura Mahin Gosudi. I am from URDU Junior College in Standard 11 Science. Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to present a speech on science and technology. When we look around us, we can see that we are surrounded by technology. Everywhere, electricity, bus, train, telephone, mobile, and computer all are gift of science and technology to mankind. Science and technology have benefit us in every sectors like medicine, education, information technology, and other field. Because of science and technology, we have been able to cure diseases that we once considered incurable. Due to the advancement of science and technology, today humans can travel up to space. With the help of technology, we can access information of all over the world and communicate with people across the globe. We can easily watch our favorite movies and listen to beautiful music at any time. Science and technology has changed our life to a great extent. It has made life easy, simple, fast, and more secure. However, we must always be mindful and their impact and us them responsible. Let's be a science and technology to solve problem, project, and plan and make the world a better place for all. And science is very important. Science is very beautiful subject. And